What's up, everyone? 3D Print 747 here, back again with a quick video. Happy New Year, everyone. I'm going to be putting out a longer video here probably in the next week, now that things have settled down from the holidays and everything. But I wanted to point something out to the new printers, the new makers rather, that got printers for Christmas or whatever holiday you celebrate. So I'm making a Kylo Ren helmet for a friend, and I want to stress the importance of selecting the correct filament, because this is PLA, but in Orca Slicer it was default selected PETG, and you can just see how it looks compared to when I fixed the filament. See the lines through here, see the rough edges. It's just garbage, and it's also weaker. Hear how brittle it is? It's breaking apart there. That's not going to happen with this one because it knew what filament I was using and adjusted temperatures and everything for it to make it perfect. Again, this is the old. You can hear how brittle it is. So yeah, so any new makers out there, welcome to the channel. And like I said, Happy New Year. But these are going in the trash. And these are going to my buddy who wants a Kylo Ren helmet. Next week, I'm going to put a video out for the BQ status bar. The BQ status bar shows you the progress of a print. So I'm looking forward to this. I also have an LED light that I'm going to put on my other P1S, and I'll video that as well. So in the next couple of weeks, I have a couple of things coming out. I'm also going to start the Grinch print here probably in March and get him going, so that y'all can ride that trip along with me and print a 7-foot Grinch. I've got to find the model though. I haven't used that in like probably 3 years. But what's nice about selecting the correct profile and the correct filament is, see how easy the supports come off and how clean that looks. It's just awesome. And this is default. I used to have to use a adjustment when I use supports because they would always stick. But Bamboo has adjusted this. Orca has adjusted this. So you no longer need to change anything to get the supports off cleanly and have a beautiful print. All right, y'all, thanks for watching again. Happy New Year. Hope you had an amazing holiday. I sure did. And we will catch you in a week or so on the next one.